people, how una dey? Una good morning. I wan talk, I wan bring some awareness. No be that they call am. No be say we know too much. Some awareness now I wan bring. And you see some people wey say they go school well well. Get some awareness wey you go know. They don't know. You see that you say, how do you care? Are they okay? You understand? You get one woman wey be tough social media creator, abi, for UK. So I dey always dey follow her. As e take dey talk, I dey like her well well. Dey make me laugh. You know say sometimes you no suppose make you dey go where dem dey always dey serious. This life is all about laugh, learn. Okay? So I dey go there. So this woman, e come dey cook stew. As e come dey cook stew, no be say I know too much o. Because since I don see travel, I don dey Europe, I don dey know many things wey we no suppose to dey eat for our head. She come dey cook stew. The stew, wetin you take dey cook am? This oil wey una see for here, na this woman use take dey cook am. You pour am for inside pot, so use this oil take dey cook. This oil, my brothers and sisters, wey dey una dey see for up here, this oil na to fry something. Fry. If you wan cook stew, you go for this. Accepted the olive, na dem dey call am here. Olive oil, na that one dey take dey cook. If you wan fry potatoes, fish, all this, if you like when you fry, wey you know dey do your turkey, you know they like to do am for honor, you know they like to do your fish for, you use this oil wey you dey see for here, and you go use am 2 times or 3 times you throw am, because the fats, don't use the same oil wey you take fry fish, take fry turkey. Don't use the same oil wey you take fry goat, take fry chicken. They no dey use am, na different oil. That one wey you take fry fish, you go keep am for one side. If you use am 3 times, you no throw am for inside where for the wash plate o. Get where you go put it. You bring one bottle of water, pour am put. If you don't forget where they drop am for outside. You understand? More una try, more una dey learn. Sometimes you hear the people, you say you want like to be like that, don't like to be like that. This girl na tough social media person. Sometimes wetin you do, she no know am. As I just see am, you carry the oil, he pour am back. But now here I fry like, oh, no, you list you now. Ewe you want video? No good. We are damaging our system. I beg. Now say I do this small video. For some people, we see they use this oil till they cook. If you want cook stew, use this. Are you hearing me? If you want cook stew, use this one. If you want fry meat, use this one. And don't use the oil you use to fry chicken. Don't use it to fry fish. The one you use to fry fish, don't use it to fry goat. The one you use to fry goat, don't use it to fry chicken. Because different tastes like they be. They change oil, they fry something. If you want to do potatoes for your children, fry potatoes. So get one when I just say one day. You say, I'm not going to eat potatoes, your children go eat. I say, yes. So you carry the oil. I say, you're the hot. Fish scent, you're the smell. They come and say, this oil, you use on fried fish. You say, I said, I beg, don't use on fried potato. You don't say, now you marry, but no. The potatoes are going to smell fish. I dey eat papa chips now. Banya, Spanish, Now they speak English, girl. Even news na Spanish. Anywhere I go na Spanish. So more than obvious if they come out English, no great come out, not be my fault. Now many years I take here. For my house na Spanish. So more take her with me. You understand? You go dey smell when you dey eat chips now, the potato chips now. You dey smell fish. Is that okay? Or you dey eat turkey go dey smell fish? Or you dey eat turkey go dey smell goat? They use different oil to do all those things. Get am for one soup away in one small cup. When you use am, you pour am for 3 days. When you don't know, so you don't use am for 3 times. Throw am. You understand? Throw am. It's good for our heads. Maintain your head, because wetin you no know before. They say wetin you no know no dey buy person. If you don dey know, dey learn. No to say I no fit chat na Igbo na mara Igbo na. How concern dey be like that? No. Take off your head, okay? This is the short awareness I just want to say. God bless you. Let me to share this video.